Family, friends, community, and fun. Here in New Haven, we have a ton. Things in town have slightly changed, but our spirits are still the same. Keep up that holiday fun and get down to New Haven Holiday Village 2021. Head to the green so you can see our super beautiful holiday tree. Fluffy friends in winter coats, so many animals, maybe even goats. Check out our stage and catch a show. You never know, it might even snow. Listen closer and you might hear,
Ho, ho, ho!
the man himself just once a year. He'll be in town and the missus too, so catch him for a photo or two. We have artists sharing talents and unique gifts. Find that perfect holiday fun. There's something here for everyone. The time of giving is indeed a time to shop small and local on the green. Join us on the New Haven Green. Have fun. Holiday Village, December 2nd, 3rd, and 4th, 2021.